What the caterpillar calls death, the butterfly calls life. The painful process of loving is the metamorphosis that not only changed you, but allowed you to grow and mature as a couple. Do not allow the struggles of the past to imprison you in the present and instill fear in the future. Tandaan nyo, and to all the couples here, pwedeng mag-away, bawal maghiwalay.
Love, sabay nating abutin ang mga pangarap natin. At sabay nating harapin at lakbayin ang bukas. Sapagkat ngayon, wala nang ikaw at ako. Sa halip ay simula na ng kabanata ng kwentong tayo.
I know in my heart that when I say I do to you in front of our loved ones and the Lord today, I don't only get myself a husband, but also the best father for our future kids. I also promise to be a loving wife, mother to our kids, and the best version of myself as we grow together.
Tila tadhana na talaga ng pasya. Sino nga ba namang mag-aakala na aabot tayo sa altar?
Clear, love your husband. He is God's gift to you. So are you to him. Romel, St. Paul in his letter to the Ephesians said, "He who loves his wife loves himself." Love yourself by loving your wife.
You'll always be